In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Tell Me bar and Microsoft Search in PowerPoint 2019 and 365. Whether you're working on a new presentation or tweaking an existing one, these features can dramatically streamline your workflow and help you accomplish tasks more efficiently. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of these tools. To get started, the first step is to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already, locate the PowerPoint icon in your Applications menu, or if you're using Windows, you might find it quickly through the Start menu. Once you click on the icon, PowerPoint will launch and you'll be greeted by the startup screen. From here you can open your existing presentations or create a new one. Let's assume you're working on something specific, so make your way over to your PowerPoint presentation. Once your presentation is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. In PowerPoint 2019 and 365, the search feature we're focusing on is positioned right at the top of your screen. It's known as the Tell Me bar, and it might also be labeled as simply Search. What makes this feature particularly powerful is its ability to address queries and provide quick access to specific commands or features you might need. With your presentation open, direct your attention to that search bar at the top. This is where you'll input whatever it is you're looking for. Maybe you want to learn how to insert a table, find a specific part of your text, or access formatting tools. Clicking into the search bar activates it, and you're ready to type. Enter your query or keyword in the text field and press enter. You'll notice once you start typing that PowerPoint begins to offer suggestions and search results pertinent to what you're typing. This could include commands, help articles, or even options to jump straight to the tools you're interested in. For instance, typing insert chart will not only show you how to add a chart, but might also suggest related operations like modifying chart types or formatting options. This predictive ability can save you a lot of time and effort by cutting down the need for navigating through menus. This feature is immensely helpful, not only for finding commands, but also for providing assistance on using various PowerPoint tools. It's like having a virtual assistant ready to guide you through your presentation tasks. Using the Tell Me bar and Microsoft Search ensures that you maximize your efficiency and creativity when working with PowerPoint, keeping your focus right where it should be, on crafting effective and engaging presentations. So next time you're working in PowerPoint, don't forget to leverage this powerful tool to enhance your productivity and presentation skills. Happy presenting!